Distinguished audience, I am pleased to share this message with you on behalf of Turkish Exporters Assembly at the Global Innovation Index 2022 launch. We appreciated this year's theme, productivity, and congratulate WIPO Global Innovation Index team and all stakeholders contributing for this launch. Productivity is one of the main elements of innovation. Productivity means more output, more sustainable growth, and more prosperity. Therefore, we focus on future technologies to increase productivity of Turkish exporters. To analyze current condition and create a new strategy for Turkish exporters, we conducted a survey for Global Innovation Index 2022 chapter. The chapter includes that qualified human resources and research and development activities are the most important tools to increase productivity of our exporters. Expectation of customers trigger or innovation, which is a productivity enhancing factor. Artificial intelligence and deep learning technologies will shape the future of our export sectors. The chapter includes much more interesting facts. Also, we aim to declare Global Innovation Index Turkey Action Plan and Strategy document and hold our first national launch in Turkey. Thanks to our President, Ministers and Global Innovation Index Task Force, Turkey jumped 10 steps and ranked 41st, which is Turkey's best score ever. Last year was also a record-breaking year for Turkish export, which achieved a historical record with $225 billion. Turkey increased economic prosperity with export. Export-oriented investment created employment opportunities for the younger generation. We will continue to support innovation ecosystem of Turkey and believe that Turkey will progress more in Global Innovation Index the coming years. Before I end my speech, I would like to thank, on behalf of myself and Assembly, to our President and our Ministers, the Global Innovation Index Turkish Task Force.